Maraming salamat po. I would also like to make special mention of Mayor Michael Marcos Kion of Lawag City for encouraging me to bid for the hosting rights of Palarong Pambansa 2025. Ilocos Norte is honored to be your host for Palarong Pambansa 2025. The last and only other time we hosted the event was in 1968. For this competition, we honor the first Southeast Asian Olympic medalist, the first Filipino Olympic medalist. From Pidig, Ilocos Norte, the father of the modern breaststroke, our very own Teofilo Ildefonso, who won bronze medals in the 1928 and 1932 Olympics and later became a war hero. Through this palaro, may Teofilo Ildefonso be commemorated and celebrated, and may our next generation continue his legacy of heroism and nationalism. We also honor our standout Ilocano athletes. Vic Barba, champion 1995 SEA Games. Eric Ang, 2008 Olympics. Roger Tapia, 2012 London Paralympics. Jason Ramil Sid, silver 2015 SEA Games. Ed Dakiwag, MPBL and former PBA player. Mark Anthony Domingo, gold and silver 2024 Palarong Pambansa. Gemwell James Espiritu, gold 2024 Palarong Pambansa. Ilocos Norte Junior baseball and softball teams. For this palaro, we emphasize two themes. Firstly, being athlete-centric. The games, after all, are for our student athletes, and we want to ensure their comfort and convenience all throughout the games. Secondly, being a sustainable games. As the renewable capital of the Philippines, we want to ensure that our games are ecologically sound. We encourage you to extend your visit and come back to Ilocos Norte with your family or friends. We are the only province in the country that can offer a slice of Dubai in our Paway sand dunes, a slice of Boracay in Pagudpud, and a slice of Baguio in Solsona, Apayao. And of course, our Ilocano gastronomy, empanada, bagnet, longganisa, pinakbet pizza, puki-puki, cornic, at iba pa. Sa inyong lahat, maraming salamat. Please feel at home and good luck to you all. Mabuhay ang DepEd, mabuhay ang atletang Pilipino, mabuhay ang Pilipino.